Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to give you an assignment which is based on using single parameterized method in Java. As part of this assignment, you need to write a Java program for creating a single parameterized method which will intake the username and print welcome username as an output. So if I pass Arun as a input to this particular single parameterized method by calling this method, this particular method should print welcome Arun as the output. Hope you understood, right? So now you can pause this video, try this, try this program, write this program by yourself and try to get the output as I mentioned. Okay. So hoping that you are done writing this program. Now you can resume this video and you can cross check your code with my code that I am demonstrating right now. Okay. If both of our codes match, then you are in a good position. So let me show you the solution for this problem. So let me here create a new class. I'll just name this as demo I, some random name with main method. And here I'm going to create a method, parameterized method, that is single parameterized method as I mentioned in the assignment, public static void. I'll just give some name like print name for this method. You can give any name. Okay. Or print name or welcome user. Okay. Any name you can give, not a problem. Okay. Welcome user like this. And here I would like to receive the data that is string. Okay. String name or something I'll say. One parameter. This is a single parameterized method which I have declared with the string class in Java. Now here, once I receive this, okay, when someone calls this particular method, they'll pass some name. Name of the user they'll pass. What I want to print here, system.out.println. I would like to print welcome plus name. So welcome, whatever the name that we receive, that will be printed. Welcome Arun. If Arun is passed here, welcome Arun will be printed in the output console. Now let's call this method welcome user. From the main method, I'll be calling welcome user and here I'll saying Arun. So what will be printed? If I call the method like this, Arun will be passed to this parameter and here welcome Arun will be printed in the output console. You see welcome Arun. Okay. So I can call this method any number of times. For example, I would like to welcome other one. Let's say Prakash. Welcome Prakash. Okay. Should be printed. Along with welcome Arun, welcome Prakash also should be printed. So hope guys you understood how to write the Java program, okay, where you can create a single parameterized method which can receive this kind of name, okay, and then print welcome the received name in the output. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.